Welcome back to Crafting with Pretty Designs. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this leopard gold glitter digital paper in Silhouette Studio. I'm going to show you how to put all the elements together. I'm using free elements and paid elements from Canva Pro. So if you are planning to do this too, you need to know that you need to have Canva Pro. And if you don't have Canva Pro, I will put a link in the description below where you can get Canva Pro for 30 days. Okay, that's for people who don't have an account. If you open a new account, you can get Canva Pro for 30 days. Okay, thank you. Let's go. First thing I'll go to Canva. I'll create a design. Custom design, yes. My unit will be inch and my measurements will be 12 by 12. Okay, create new design, and I'll create this design right here, 12 by 12, just like here. And I'll go to my elements and I look for, I want to do leopard blue gold. Okay, I'll go and I look for leopard gold, like that. Okay, go to graphics right in here. I want the patches, the pieces. Okay, we're gonna mix it with blue. I'll have this one here. Okay, let me make it a little bit smaller. Put this here, like here. Let me see else what I can use. Let me see this one. Okay, it's like kind of the same. I'll put this here in the middle right here, and I will duplicate this one, Control D, and you can flip it around, flip it horizontally, flip it vertically. I'll put it like so. Okay, this here, this here. I think I'm going to duplicate this too. I'll put it a little bit more to the side, and this one, duplicate it and put it more to the side. It's up to you how you want it, but we're gonna do leopard gold with blue, like light, not too much light blue, but blue. I need to stand in here. Blue gold glitter. Okay. Let's go to graphics and see what we can get. I love this one. It has blue and glitter inside. Okay, I have my blue here. I will put a blue here, and I will duplicate it and bring one here. Duplicate it one more time, like I'm 4 times. I'm gonna close these white spots. Okay, it's over here. Okay, and then I'm gonna make one more, this one here, and I'm going to drag it and put it in the corner, and then I'm gonna send it to the back. Let's go here, send to the back. Okay, and since I have it still selected, I'll duplicate it. This one, okay, I think it's down here. Yeah, this one here is big. I'm going to duplicate it again, and then I'm going to put it on the other side, and I'm gonna send it to the back too. To the back, duplicate it. What am I doing? Yeah, duplicate it, bring it here, and send it to the back. Also, all the big ones need to go to the back so that I can cover it on this side, and I'll send it to the back too. When we go to layers, we see they are down here, everyone in the corners. Okay, let me see if I can bring this up. Okay, so we have these. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is like take a leopard. Let me see one of these leopards. Come on, leopard. Everything is, let's go here and find a leopard part, like this one too, like this one, and let duplicate it again. So we duplicate and we enlarge it very big. Okay, enlarge it very big, like so. And then we send it all the way to the back also. To the back. You see it there? Let's see if we can duplicate one more. You drag it to this side, send it to the back. We have it selected. Duplicate one more. Drag it to the point there, send it to the back. So all the big ones we will send to the back so that they can stay there. It's still here in the corner and send to the back. So you see, you are seeing the leopard in the back a little bit. And now let's go to add some gold. Like just gold. Let's see, gold glitter. This one will be nice. Okay, I love this one. So I have this one here. And then I will drag it a little bit over the work. Drag it a little bit like so. Duplicate it and drag it like so again. Okay? Let me get this off. Let me get, yeah. And you can also duplicate it again, like you're working with it. And you can make it super small. You can make it super small to put in places. When you have one small one, you can duplicate it and bring it to different places, like here. You know, decorate your thing with it. And put it like here. I think we have one here already. Yeah. Okay. I find it very, very nice. You can do a lot with it. Okay, and now let's say we want another color. This is like a leopard blue. Let's say we want another color. Let me show you how to do the other color really quick. You duplicate this one, okay? When you duplicate it, you go in position. The only thing you're going to change are the blue. These colors you're going to change. For the rest, you will leave everything else in their spaces. Okay? Okay, let me show you. And then you go here and let's say we're going to do we have pink already, we have black, we have green, let's say purple glitter. Let's see, purple glitter. And then we have the different kind of purples right in here. We want this kind. Let's see what it has. I think it has silver. It should have gold. Let me see. Purple, gold, silver. Okay, I think I love this one. Yep, I love this one. Oh, what is this? Oh no, we don't need this one. I think I have it twice, the old one. Yeah, we want this purple. Look what we're going to do. Go. Can you remember we had 4 small ones together? 4. Let me go if I see. For this one here, duplicate. You put one here. Duplicate, you bring this one here, you duplicate, and you put the other here. Okay, just like so. And then you're going to select the 4. Okay, and then you group them. Okay, and then you go in position. Oh, it's not group. You group them, yeah. And then you go into position, and you see the first. Let me see. This is not there. The first 4 that we had. Okay, I think they are here. Okay, we have to delete the blue. So we're going to delete them. Find them in position. Find them in position. We will delete them all. Because this time we're going to do purple. Okay, select them all, delete them. I think we still have blue. Position. Go in here. We see blue still here. Select, hold. Select them all. Delete them. You can only find them in position when you drag them down. You see there are 2 blue left. Okay, we have them all deleted. Now we have our purple. See? We have the purple here. And the next thing we're going to do, we have one more purple. and then we're going to drag them. Okay, drag them, duplicate it, bring it over here, duplicate it again. Oh, it's gone. One in the corner and one at the top here. So all these big purples here, we're going to select them all and group them again. Group them. Okay, then you go in position, you will find them. I think they are here. You will drag them down over here. They should be between the gold and the leopard. Yeah, I hope you can see that. Yeah, let me see, between the gold and the leopard. Or let me see, behind the leopard. No, they shouldn't be there. Between the gold and the leopard. Okay. Okay, this is a gold. Let me see this one here. Yeah. So you're going to adjust them to see what you like. So we have this one and we have this one. Okay. We have these two. You can create any other color that you want to with those elements in here. You can create whatever you want to. Okay, let's download them really quick. I'm going to download them one by one. I'll do the blue first. Okay, done. Download, and it will come into my computer, and then I'm going to download the purple one too. Go to download. I have page 2 right here. Download. Okay, and it will be downloaded into my computer, and I'm going to show you how to use them. Okay, let's go down here. I'll add another page right here. I'll go to my uploads. I'll upload a file. Okay, here they are. I'm going to upload both into my Canva. And here we are in Canva. Okay. I'll go to elements again, and I'm going to look for frames. I'll say letters. Okay. For instance, let me see what letters I love. If you don't like those letters, you can create your own. Okay, or you can purchase some from Etsy. Let's say I'm going to use these ones. I'm going to write down Royal, L-A-Y, Royal. Okay, I'm going to select all, make them small, and then I'll drag one here, select them all, position, arrange, go to tidy up. I'm going to align them really quick. Tidy up. Okay, here we are. Make them a little bit smaller, and then we're going to use our things with them. Let's say you want the word, this word royal in those colors. Let's go to our uploads. Let's say we go to purple, and then we drag them in the purple. Okay, drag them, and then you drag them. Okay, let's go closer. You see how beautiful they are. You can also do this. You can double click on it. Okay, let's drag it and tell it. You see, you can put it differently, like so. You see that? And then drag it. Let it be big first. You can pan it where you want it to be, which one part, if you want it to be like so. Okay, you see, you can do that. Okay, you can do all that. Let's see, let's put them more closer to each other. Let's say you want to design with a royal on it like so. Okay, let's look for a crown really quick. Golden crown. Okay. Let's see if we can use this. Be careful that it doesn't jump into the, it does not jump into your things here. And then bring it up like so. Okay, let's select all and bring them down. Okay, let's see this. Center it really good. And send it to the back position. We're going to send it to the back. Layers. There we go, drag it down. Okay. To the back like a royal. Like so. It's a nice design. And then you can add a little bit more glitter. Glitter gold. Yeah, like these ones here, swoosh thingy here. Okay, you can add it here or down here, but you send it to the back too. Like that. I think I would make up a nice shirt. I would love this on a shirt. Yep. So this is how you can make your own digital papers in here, like glitter digital papers, and use it for your projects. Okay, you can use it for your project. You can do anything with it. You can drag it and drop it. You can use it, even use it in Silhouette Studio. I even used mine in Inkscape. Look, I made this one here, right here in Inkscape. So you can use them however you want. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something today and go and create these beautiful digital papers in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.